Whether for work or for play, this move-in ready house gives you ease of access to DIA and to an award-winning golf course in the community. I'm excited to show you this house. Come take a tour with me. The cozy living room features high ceilings and a gas fireplace. Enjoy the main level featuring an updated kitchen with granite countertops, gas stove, and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, retreat to the primary suite, complete with a spa-like ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. Award-winning Buffalo Run Golf Course is in the neighborhood, and commuting to flights at DIA couldn't be more convenient.